get married, I will dance very well.
Don't let your father to hear this.
Mama, there were.
Wait, you're welcome.
Yes, Mama. Mama, I came to see my friend, Anyang. Yes, Mama.
Adam, Mama, you can call your brother for him. My son, you can come and sit down.
Mama, no problem. No problem.
What of your mother?
My mother went to her village. My grandmother is not feeling fine. She's sick. Mama, there were.
What took you so long?
My father, Mama.
My son.
Let me go to their place.
Try to come back on time, yeah?
Now I'll come back. Let's go. See you.
Mama. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mama. Greet your mother for me.
Yes, ma.
But Mama, won't I get married?
My
Do you know that for some days now, nobody have set an eye on our home? I hope nothing bad happens to her.
It's true.
But how can't you disappear in this village? I don't know. Everybody's confused.
Please, let's go. The worst happened. I don't even know who is listening to us. Please, let's go.
Because of Allah and save us.
So careful. This one you're in the haze, I hope no trouble.
I'm going to somewhere very important to me. Anything?
I learned that Ongum Sirachi's death is not ordinary. That Ochende's hand is in it.
Ocheze! Chai! Ocheze is a wicked man. He's a bad man. I wonder why Igbe still living in his cabinet.
I wonder.
Oh, that reminds me. I learned that you are having a land dispute with Ocheze. Is that true?
Yes, you Alan Kemka. Ocheze Torenam. He wants to collect my land. The thing that his forefathers could not do to my father. This is what he's trying to do.
Right.
Unless the ghosts of the lands are sleeping.
You better leave this land for him. Ocheze. Ocheze is a bad man. He will kill you and collect your land.
Kill me? He cannot. Unless the ghosts of lands are sleeping.
You are vibrating. You are vibrating. I'm telling you, you are going to die. I have told you.
Okay, we shall see.
My father told me that there is no other animal that is stronger than the lion. And I am the lion. Whatever a man wish, so shall he get. I sent an elder to you to come and warn you about that land so that you leave the land for me. But you refused. I am nailing your life to this tree. Today, you shall be no more. Chichendo, die! I am Ocheze, the kingmaker. Whoever dares me wants to die.
What is happening to me? What is happening to me? My chest.
This your happiness is extraordinary. Since you came back from the Eagles Palace, you've been singing and dancing. Papa, what happened? What is the good news?
Ubiora, you will not understand. You will not understand.
You keep saying I will not understand. Please make me understand.
Ubiora, what is beyond a child? The child can never attain it until he is of age. Tomorrow morning, I want you to go and get me palm wine. We will celebrate.
What has palm wine got to do with the question I asked you? Okay, I will go and get a palm wine in the morning. But what is the good news?
By tomorrow, you will know why I am happy.
Okay. If you say so, I'm
okay.
Mama.
Mama,
I'm going with you.
don't go with me. You know you just recovered from a snake bite.
I'm alright, Mama. I can manage.
I kept your food inside the house, so go and eat.
Alright, Mama. What of Papa?
You want to the palace for a meeting?
Alright, Mama.
Stay, I'm coming back very soon.
How are you? I'm fine. I see that you are busy.
Yes.
We are sorry for visiting you this late. You see, we are...
Don't be sorry. I understand. Ugumma, how are you?
Oh my Oma. I should be the one asking you of that. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Thank you. What for? I don't know. But I'm happy that you visited me.
Thank you, Guma.
Yeah. Thank you, Bani.
You're welcome.
So,
welcome, my elder.
Igwe. Mazin Duka. Igwe. I heard what happened to your daughter. How is she? How is she now?
She's better now, Igwe. She's better now.
No, she's a very nice girl. Igwe. Yeah, see, I'm sorry for what happened.
Igwe.
This is for Igwe,
Thank
you.
Thank you very much, Igwe.
Thank God.
May the gods bless you more, Igwe.
Thank the gods.
Hey.
I feel that she's a nice girl. This your daughter was a very close friend of my late daughter. And that apart, she's beautiful. And she's a role model in this community.
Yes.
Very nice girl.
Thank you, Igwe.
Jenduga, ina muzineka mwa.
It's very good.
Oh, that very even mother before yours.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Igwe. She's a very good girl.
Yeah,
Very good.
Mazo Cheze.
Igwe.
How is the village farming going this period around?
Igwe, it is going on very well.
Wow.
All your subjects are cooperating. very, very well. Maze, a woman.
You spoke very well.
Okay.
Igwe, this one you are asking Oshes about family season. I hope you are not planning to do one celebration for us. This one you are asking. Wait. I got tired Thank you, Father.
Yes, Papa.
Join me.
Yes, Papa, I'll fit in.
Lest I forget. This is for you. Igwe said I should give it to you.
Papa.
So good.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you so much.
Remember to go and thank the Igwe.
Yes,
it's
Papa.
very important.
I will.
Good. I noticed something about you today. I saw you smiling to yourself. What happened?
Papa, I'm so happy. We finally made friends with Ugoma and Obianuju. Wow! They visited me today. I'm so happy for you.
It's alright. It's alright. You have to go and thank the Igwe.
Papa, I will.
Yes. It's alright. You can go inside and test it. You are going with your mother?
Yes, Papa.
That's good.
Aboma, how are you? Dear my sister. It has been a long time. Where have you been?
I've been in.
Leave me alone. What is all this? Why are you holding me like that? I don't like this thing. Don't do it again.
Aboma, I expected you last night as we arranged, but I did not.
Expected who? Expected who? She has asked you to go. Go, evil man. Just look at the way. You expected who? Please get out from this place. What's the problem?
Abomike, you are easy. Abomike, you are easy. Akudia, do you remember you are talking to Ocheze? Aboma, ask your friend to guide her tongues.
Mazi Ocheze. Can't you just see that we are having a peaceful meeting here?
Tell him.
Baya, leave us alone.
Yes.
Leave us alone, okay?
Is that all you can say? Look, Akudia, are you aware that you are talking to Ocheze?
Ocheze, you can do nothing. Ocheze, you are under my feet. You are under my feet. You can do nothing. You are an evil man. Get out from this place, please.
Abomike, you are easy. Akudia, we shall see.
We shall see nothing. Ocheze, we shall see nothing. Get out. Get out.
Akudia, you are talking to me.
I am talking to you. Get out. Go. Go, evil man. Go. Let's go.
Aboma.
Evil man.
Aboma. Hey! Why should other animals not be scared of the lion? When the lion has strong teeth, it devours with the claws. Akudia. Akudia, because you disgraced me and you took away the foods that I have been eating from my mouth, your mouth will no longer eat. From today, I am nailing your life to this tree. Na bodogi, abobugi no sisi a. Nna Babugi no Sisia. Today, Akudia, die! I am Uchese. If you are not afraid of me,
To? I'm going to the King's Palace. And we are on our way to your house. Alright, then let's go together.
You are welcome. You are welcome to my palace. Sinachi.
Igwe.
I've not been seeing you in the palace for some time. Since the death of your friend, the priestess. You've not been coming.
Igwe, I have been...
Okay, I understand. What of your wound?
Igwe, I'm fine now. Good. Thank you for the present. I appreciate. Thank you.
Oh, it's nothing. Compared with your contribution to this community. It's nothing. Are these your friends?
Yes, Igwe.
What's your name?
Igwe. My name is Ugoma, one of Mazi Odika's daughter.
Oh, Mazi Odika has such a beautiful daughter. And you?
Igwe. My name is Obianuju, the last daughter of Mazi Oshezi.
Oh, Obianuju. What a nice name. What a nice name. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You are right. It's all right.
Bodike.
Igwe eze mmụọ. Udo adịkwa. Eze mmụọ. Why are you in my palace today?
Igwe! Nsogbu dị. Ezigbote nsogbu dị agwọ nọ n'akịlịka. What exactly do you mean? Igwe, great calamity will befall the land. The gods are angry.
The gods angry?
Yes, Igwe.
The gods angry? Why are the gods angry? Why are the gods angry? It has never happened since in this kingdom. Never in the history of this kingdom. Yes. The gods have never been angry with us.
I wonder.
This has never happened before.
There is an impending doom that is about to befall this kingdom. And if nothing is done, the entire kingdom will be doomed. We need to cleanse the land. Igwe, a median has to be sacrificed.
Hey, Mban.
Yes, Igwe.
Ezemo, are you telling me that a maiden will be sacrificed?
Yes.
Ezemo. In the olden days, my elders, our old people sacrifice with cows, goats, and why now that the gods are demanding for maidens to be used? I wonder.
Oh no! Are you trying to challenge the gods? Ezemo just told us what the gods said. And what is important now is, whose daughter are we going to use for the sacrifice? And who is ready to donate his daughter?
Elders of Umuobodo Kingdom, hold your peace. For the gods of our land has chosen whom they want to use.
Now, who is the chosen maiden, Ezemo?
It is no other person than the daughter of Mazi.
Hey! My own daughter!
Oh, Sinachi.
Oh, I said no! I said that can never. Igwe. No. Igwe, I have only but a daughter. One. Just one. One! No,
Igwe.
Calm down. I am too sure that our Asian people will not accept this. Oh! It is an error! I am too sure. And I knew that our old fathers used sacrifice with cows and goats. Never. Why using Emilia, my own daughter, at this time for sacrifice?
Igwe, I have delivered what the gods has sent me to. I beg to take my leave.
You may, but do something.
4 days.
4 days.
Give me,
4 days.
Eh?
It's
a lie. What? You do what?
My brother.
What happened?
Because I've spoken. And Ezemo has delivered the message. Take it easy.
Message of using my daughter to sacrifice?
That is the way our life can be.
Oh, Cheze.
How many do you have?
Here you go again. One. So you are in support for us to be using our children for sacrifice. Your own will be used.
What the gods said so.
No, your own will be used. Your own will be used.
It has to be done.
It's all right.
The gods, they are now lying.
This meeting is closed. We can go. You can go.
There's nothing we can do.
Wuka. It's a lie. It can't be done.
See, I'm sorry, but you know, I know how you feel. It's very difficult.
My only daughter.
It's very difficult. Onwumi is also my daughter. She's also my daughter. Yes, you can go. I want to go. What to be alone? Why must it be almost like you? Why must it be that? Among all the ladies in this game, why must it be that is chosen? Why? And she's like a daughter to me. She's like a daughter to me. Why must it be her? Why must it be the chosen one? Even the chief priest said that we have only 4 days. 4 days. Well, as the king, I have no choice. At least for the interest of my community and the kingdom and the people, I have no choice. I'm sorry. I am sorry.
Hey, the gods are wise.
Mazendoka,
Wise one.
the gods gave you 4 days to present your daughter at the shrine. It is remaining 2 days. I will not come back here again. The gods have spoken. Why did you put priest on my daughter? Why?
To use my daughter for sacrifice.
Aboma! Aboma!
What is it? What is it? Why are you shouting my name?
Aboma. Aboma, I was standing at a corner somewhere and I saw you pass. And then I said to myself, this is the best opportunity for me to see you, to talk to you. Aboma, what was the meaning of the character you displayed yesterday before Akodi?
Mazocheze, it's high time you leave me alone. Because what you did yesterday, in fact, I could not bear it. Look at the way you behave in the front of that my friend. You want to tell the whole kingdom that you want to date me, or what? I don't like it. Don't try it next time.
You see, your friend Akodia you are talking about is also in the same business. Though I am not the one taking care of her.
How do you know? How do you know?
Aboma, Akodia is jealous of you. She is jealous of you. She personally came to me and asked me to start taking care of her, showering my well on her. But I refused. So when she saw me coming to hug you yesterday, she became too jealous. She was jealous of you.
Listen and listen carefully. I don't want that thing that happened that day to repeat itself again. Because the way you just came to hug me in her presence, you just disgraced me in her presence. Let me tell you, let today be the very first and last. I don't want to see you anywhere close to my heart again. Do you hear me? I don't want to see you again. Please, leave me.
Abomike, where is he? Abomike, where is he? So, Aboma, after disgracing me before Akodia yesterday, today you are also disgracing me. That food that is beneath your waist, which you cooked, no man will ever eat it anymore. We shall see.
How are you doing?
You are asking me, am I doing? What do you mean?
Are we quarreling?
Look, Mazo Baka, I am disappointed in you. You are now dating Uremma.
Hey, wait!
You are now dating Uremma.
What are you doing with Akudie?
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 So, you want to tell me now that you have become a monitoring spirit?
No, I won't monitor you.
Okay, let me tell you. Why you go near Uremma again? Or else?
Or else what?
Or else? Ama Akugi Ibi. In short, you will become a useless man in this kingdom.
You know what? I will tell your wife what you are doing with Akudie.
Wait, you. Am I marrying my wife or my wife is marrying me?
I don't care to know whether you are the one marrying her or she's the one marrying you. All I know is that I will tell her.
I'm Akugibi.
You can't do anything. You can't do anything.
You
call me. I have told you. He call me back. You can't do nothing. You can't do nothing. You can't do nothing. Come on, loss. Mabukwenu. Don't dan can me press up. Mabukwenu. Anofia.
Tell me, spirits of my ancestors, the powers that envelop me, can you tell me the usefulness of a woman who cooked food and refused to give to the husband? She's of no use, I know. Abamma, because your husband died and I have been taking care of you after the death of your husband, and you refuse to give me food to compensate my good gestures and my benevolency with the food you have beneath your waist, and you refuse. As a result of that, Abamma, I, Ocheze, I am locking your heart with the spiritual key. Abochie Ngobi. Abochie Ngobi. Abochie Ngobi. Oh. I am Ocheze, the kingmaker. Abomike, you are missing.
Gods of our land. What is happening in this land? What is happening in our community? Daboma. Daboma. Daboma is dead. Hey, Daboma is dead. Oh.
and see you. If there's no problem.
He said that to me too. And he said that I should spend a lot of my time with you. Talk to me, my sister. Is there any problem?
Nothing. I'm fine. Are you sure? You know, my father loves me so much. He can do anything.
I'm jealous, sir. I don't get this shy. Can see that you are busy. Let's help you. Alright. Where's the knife? Okay.
Sinachi, please come. Papa, take this white cloth. Go and give it to your uncle. Tell him that I am coming.
Papa, right now?
No.
I sacrifice on Sinachi as a gift so that peace reigns. Atubatu ibe ibe atubatu ibe ibe atubatu ibe ibe agadi wanyi bungongo anasi onembia okome esulesie esusasia esutozia nusulu kana esu dikana bokukuri posada lielu aka were ife ọgbajie aka nke ọzọ ife ọbụla ga-apụta agbajie m aka okotoli mgbapụ ujere ebu regbokwu It is done.
I understand you want to travel to your mother's place.
Yes, Father.
For you to embark on such trip, you must have some escort with you. I advise you take some guards and your maidens and let me know when you want to come back.
Yes, Father. I already know that.
Okoro. You're welcome. Sit down.
Were you sent for us?
Yes. I sent for both of you. As your king, I have been having restless nights. And I'm sure you are aware of what happened a fortnight ago in our kingdom. The sudden change in climate and all the calamities that have befallen our kingdom since that incident. Onowu, who is the only man that can find a solution to this, is in another kingdom on an errand. That is why I sent for both of you, so that we can put our heads together and proffer a solution to all of this.
Igwe, I suggest we invite the priestess of our land to tell us what is happening. Ichie, O'Brien.
Igwe is correct. Is right.
It's a good idea.
Obligation.
Nai.
I'm just from the house. Repeat what you told me.
Mama, Adanne went to Mazo Cheza's house to see that Obiora.
Did you hear her?
Yes, Naya. I heard her.
Huh?
I heard her.
So, my
Why is it my business?
So, there is nothing wrong for my own daughter to leave the house at this hour of the day, this evening, to Ocheze's house to see Obiora. He said, what is your business about that?
Yes, Naya.
I can see you are part and parcel of the misbehavior of my daughter. Your hand is involved in supporting my daughter to Ocheze's son.
Now, is that what you're telling me?
Yes. Let me go there and come back.
Okay. While I go to Mbeke's house, to go to Mbeke, not to see you again.
Papa! Walk out from here!
I'm going to Mbeke.
Move away from here!
Why are you shouting on me? Huh?
I don't mean to. No, now. You see, Mbeke is not really that I'm doing that with Mbeke. It's only that at times she troubles me. I need to tell you. But let's save our daughter. Let's save our daughter.
My role right now is on how to escape this game happening in this community.
Haven't you heard how Onum was killed?
Yes! Was it not the first prophecy of the late Ezemo?
My sisters, that means you are not safe in this community.
I also heard though.
Heard what?
I heard that Igwe sent some of our elders to Ama Idiaba Kingdom to consult their Ezemo for us to know how to escape this calamity.
You know what? Because you are safe to be silent.
My dear, I am afraid.
I'm afraid too.
I need to leave this community.
Your Highness. Oh, no, I greet you. You are welcome.
You summoned me?
Yes, no. Sit down.
Thank you.
Oh, no, you are welcome back.
Thank you once again.
You are glad to have you back. Oh, no, I say, Abambo Otuanogwe. Abaiba Otunogwe. What does that mean, sir? Well, no, I summoned you because of what happened here a fortnight ago. Okay. You remember the climate change. Since then, our kingdom has known no peace. A lot of calamities and atrocities are happening. And you know you've been aware. That is why I summoned for you to assist me in providing a solution to all these problems.
It's all right. Your Highness, I'm thinking that we still have to bring the priestess back. Even as we have called her before, I am thinking she has a solution to this crisis. Let's get her to come back and tell us the solution. Please.
No, you might have a point.
Let's do.
Okoro?
Let's do. Yes, Sir Highness.
Go and send for the priestess of the land once again. Yes, go now.
Your Highness, the solution is here. The ways of the gods are different from the ways of men. A maiden from Umobum was accused wrongly, and a sacrifice of vanishing was made. But because your blood reverberates in that kingdom, the prophecy of truth was averted. The God sent me to intercept her spirit, which I did.
Thank you very much, the priestess. Thank you very much. But can you be more explicit? Please, break it down.
I will be back in 4 market days.
Did you get a point there?
No, I'm confused.
That your own blood reverberates in that land. There's something mysterious about all that. Are you in any way having the same opinion? Please, think deeply about it. Think deeply. The blood of His Highness reverberates in the foreign land. Nuna Manuel Sechao Akeno Kwadoze. Nuna Manuel Seno Wakeno Kwadoze.
At least a part of my plan has been fulfilled. Ongum Sinachi is gone. The next plan is for my son Obiora to become the Igwe, the king of this community. And nobody can stop him unless I am no longer Ochese. I'm Ochese. I am the one that made people king. Yes! Nothing can anybody do about it.
Ochese.
Oh no. This one you are in my house. Not only that, you came to the back of my house unannounced. What is the problem?
The same question I will return to you. Why have you decided to abandon your frontage and now stay at the back here?
Does it concern you? What concern of yours is it? I can stay anywhere I want.
Ochese, the wicked one run it when no one pushes it. The wicked one run it when no one is after him. On your John, I was somewhere when you're not here.
You have not told me why you are here. Rather, you have come here to talk arrant nonsense. Why are you in my house?
Ochieze, if what my spirit is telling me is the truth, that you and Ezemo knows the truth, why Ongum Snashi was used for sacrifice, then the drum of the dooms that both of you are beating, you are going to dance alone. Both of you will dance it alone.
Oh no, we are talking nonsense. You are talking nonsense. Let me tell you. When death wants to kill the dog, it prevents the dog from perceiving the aroma of excreta. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
You are talking to me, the Ono of this great community.
And so what? And so what? If you don't know, what am I? Ochieze. I am Ochieze, the kingmaker.
Now listen to me. If you and Ezemo have hands in what killed Ongumsinashi, the spirit of this innocent girl will strike you an embassy.
I know you have a plan to marry her, but your plan has failed.
Huh? You say what?
Yes, you have a plan to marry Ongumsinashi, and she has been used for sacrifice.
You are going to see what you have done to yourself.
Me?
Yes.
Me? Oh no. Oh no! When dog wants to die, it prevents it from perceiving the aroma of excreta. Oh no! Ezemo, let me come and see you.
But let me ask this question. I don't.
Machi, you always ask question. Every time, question.
Will you keep quiet, Chinaza, and leave the princess alone? My princess, please, I'm sorry.
Chinaza, are you insinuating that I ask odd questions? What is your problem? Imagine.
I'm sorry, my princess. What's your question? I'm sorry.
Good. My question is this. I don't even know. Why did Igwe leave his son in another kingdom? The moment I think about it, I'm confused.
Please, my princess, how dare you blaspheme your father's name? Please, you don't know what to say. Better keep your mouth shut.
May the gods of our land forgive you, Chinaza. Aranabadege. Now let me remind you, they are talking to the princess of our land in that too. My princess, please, my apologies.
I heard that someone disappeared. Yes, someone disappeared in this kingdom. But I know, very soon enough, the gods will speak for themselves.
Anyway, let the gods speak by themselves. After all, they are with a difference from ours. I'm out of here.
Chinaza, come back here, Chinaza. My princess, please, I'm sorry.
Ladies, let's go.
Your Highness, her name is Ongumsinachi, an innocent and non-blemished young maiden of Umuobodo Kingdom. She was sacrificed, but the gods are with her. You shall take her in, for she will bring peace and joy to your household. Accept her. Treat her with love, care, and most especially, treat her like royalty. This is your new home. May the gods be with you.
You are welcome. Nuna mano secha oku. Akanowa. Dozier. Welcome.
Ngula mala ngule kubo. Ngule kumo gula mala e. Ngula mala ngule kumo. Ngula mala ngule kumo. Ngule kumo gula mala. Ngula mala ngule kubo. Uche akome. Afi no na agba n'izu eke. Oye. Ko afọ. Okome. Oh, Cheze, my good friend. To what do I owe this visit of yours? I hope all is well.
Esemo, all is not well. All is not well.
What is the problem?
Esemo, a man do not rest on his oars until his assignment is finished.
Amala soliwe, soliwe, soliwe. Amala soliwe, soliwe. Ocheze, you are a very good friend of mine. But I know you are greedy. You are treacherous. So, you have decided to kill the king our Igwe because of your selfish desires.
Esemo, the issue of killing the Igwe do not arise here. No citizen will ever think of killing the Igwe. It is a taboo, it is an abomination. But I have come here so that you can help me. Give me something that can enable me. So that when I will now be talking to Igwe, Igwe will listen to me and announce to the entire kingdom that Obiora, my son, will be the heir apparent to the throne. That's all I want. Give me something. I know you can do it.
I am going to give you something. But remember. And that is how you killed Ongum Sinachi.
But we killed Ongum Sinachi. It was our plan.
Oh yemi yo 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 yemi yo. Oh yemi yo mo yemi yo. Take this. Whenever you want to speak to the king, or you want the king to do anything for you, make sure you are chewing that leaf. And when you are going, I warn you, when you are going, make sure it never drops on the ground. Because if that happens, I will not like to tell you. You can go.
Thank you.
Akweke oruma. Dodo akweke oruma kwetele.
You got what you want.
Hey! There's a more saying I should not allow this to fall to the ground. Hey! Hey! I'm one that I don't know.
Please don't kill me. Thank you. Please.
Confess. Mazu Chezi, for the last time. Confess.
Yes, Papa. Sorry for what, Papa?
Papa, stop! Stop, Papa! Papa, stop! So, you killed Ogum out of jealousy, Papa! Papa, why? Papa, why? Papa! Papa! Please help me! Please let me! Please! Papa! No, Papa!
That's the one name. I can't wait to see these great wonders of our ancestors.
Nah, no quite. Which ancestors? Haven't you heard?
Heard what?
That it was Angum's Nachi that did it. How come our ancestors?
Hi! Hi! Nwa ibu newu. Ibu no me. If not that you are my sister, if not that I know you too well, I would have concluded that you're nothing but a moron. I mean, your sense of reasoning baffles me a lot.
You be my elder sister does not give you the right to insult me.
Wait, Chinaza, are you talking to me? Chinukwa, let me get something straight here. Are you in any way referring to me? Anyways, I don't blame you. I blame Mama who pampers you a lot.